Assalamu alaikum everyone. We have great news to share. The Uyghur Institute of Europe finally has its own space here in the heart of Paris. Over 200 meters where we can come together, celebrate our culture and open our doors to the wider international community. But to make this space truly come alive, we need your help. In this beautiful space, designed in Uyghur style, we are creating a cozy Uyghur Turkic style tea room, a rich multilingual library, and classroom and offices for education and support. We're not just building a space, we're building a future. Here's what we will host. The Uyghur Language School of Paris, teaching our children their culture and their identity, a mental health and support center, workshops in reading, dance and music, a legal aid service for women, children and immigrants, a multilingual media platform to make Uyghur voices heard across Europe and the world. But to do this, we need to renovate, equip and furnish the space, and we can't do it alone. Whether it's a donation, offering materials, donating your time as a volunteer, every gesture counts. So let's build this together. We can let Uyghur culture thrive across Europe. We can pass our beautiful culture on to the next generation. And together, we can make sure our voices are heard. Join us, support us. Let's bring this space to life. And check out the caption to find out how you can donate. Assalamu alaikum.